Ginawa sa'yo yun? Ha? Ang ginawa sa'yo? Han! Sasaktan ko yan. Joke lang. Wow! Kayong magkaganon, naglalamangan. Very, very bad.
An issue right now. How do I unbox this one? And I don't have that much space. So I'm getting ready for the Sakai drop today. Sakai waffle drop on 10 o'clock Eastern time. Hopefully I could win something. Not too much high hopes, but still, let's try, even though there's a small chances of winning. But hey, you'll never know. Just try it. The last box. That's a lot of boxes. Whew. Here we go. Last one. Got tons of Kobe's. This is just only a portion of what I ordered, and I got more in common. And as you can see, most of my order here is this Mamba Rage. Let's pop it open. Boom! We got the Mamba Rage, and this is the black metallic cold anthracite. This one is really reselling very well on the third market. I'm really excited when they pop this out, restock them, and I got on the exact time, right time and the right place to buy a lot. So, and also good thing I got those members exclusive, and also the notification that there's a massive sale, 50% off, and then additional discount. And that's it. How about this one? We got the Nike D-Break undercover. I got the size 12. This 3 size 12 because this is the only sizes that they have. Colorway is the Lucky Green. I wish I could have a smaller size on this one because I like this colorway as well. Okay, here we go. And that is some kind of Grinch colorway. It was really good for Christmas though. The Grinch undercover. I would say the Grinch. I had to do a separate transaction on this one because there is an issue with the website that I can only order 1 per item. I saw this one already on the outlet, and they are still on retail. It's like a Spurs colorway, San Antonio Spurs. So what do you think of this one? So this is the Air Force One Low BHM. What is this? Like a patch or something. Oh, that paper. Okay. Ooh, what is this? So it's like different online, but they are much more different when on hand. So this one is kind of unfinished thing. And also, what is this? Colorway black and white gum bottom, gum med brown. Ooh, wow. Huh. I like the gum bottom. Wow, nice. I don't have my size. I like it. Moving on. Air Vapor Maxes. We got smaller sizes here. That's the only pair. Take it out. Boom. Okay. So I had also a good deal getting this one. Very cheap, and this nice color as well. Okay, next one we got the luminous green phantom. I knew it. I was gonna take a size 12 for me, but I was kind of hesitant because of the sparkle going on here, but I like the mint green. I like that green. That is almost half of the transaction that I got, and there's still a lot. So what do you think on this pickup, on the surprise and massive restock from the Nike factory store in Nike.com, including discount? So I'm glad I was wake up when they did restock. And that being said, thank you for watching. I hope you like this video, and if you like it, can you please leave a thumbs up and also leave a comment down below. Subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Mag-ingat po kayo. Bye bye.